Everything in this world starts with an idea in mind, and then that idea is converted into a blueprint. Before we take any single step, it is very important to have a blueprint, because blueprint is like having a map of a territory. If we have the accurate map, then we get to know that where we are supposed to go. So that would get us to our destination very easily and very faster. So for the purpose of creating any photo manipulation, it is very important to have a rough sketch or an idea in your mind, and then that idea should be on the piece of paper, or you can do that in the Photoshop itself like I am doing in this case. So this is the image which I have taken, which is a image of my son, and I want his face and eyes and upper part of the head to be covered with some kind of a mask, and I want this mask to be of metal, okay, some kind of a metal part. So we need some metal parts for this purpose, alright, and I want only the face of this child, and on this lower part I want a city, okay, and a picture. So we'll be using a picture of a city which is shot on the vantage point, alright, because I want to depict a concept of that this person or this sci-fi warrior is rising above the city, and here would be the sky, and this is a cloud which I am creating. I know it's a horrible drawing, but for our purpose this is good, and if you want you can do that on piece of paper. You can choose any method which suits you. So I am just using this one, okay, and later on we'll add some kind of a scars or tattoos over the nose, okay, over the cheeks, and maybe a little bit on the chin, so that it looks great. And for creating a drama on this picture, I want this image to be of night scene, and there would be raining, okay, so that would make our scene more dramatic if it is night and if it is raining. So for this purpose we need the images. First of all we need an image of the face, which we have chosen this one, and later on we want to have a picture of some kind of a metal parts. With the help of those metal parts we can create the mask over the head, okay. So for that purpose I have chosen this image. This is the disc brake which we are going to use for creating the mask over the head, and this is the city scene which is shot obviously by the vantage point and which fits to our photo manipulation, or which fits to our idea, because I want the sci-fi warrior to be over here, okay, and it is rising above the city, and it is obviously a night scene, though it is an evening scene, but we can easily make it to a night scene. Lights are also lit in the background, okay, and thereafter I will use this texture image to create some drama over this picture or the sky, and this would also help us to create the grunge on the metal mask. And for the purpose of creating rain, we'll do that in the Photoshop itself. We'll create the rain from the sketch itself, like you can see over here. So enroll now and unleash the creative within you.